you want to get no longer than 25 to 30 seconds, jump right back into it. Be pumping the whole time. Y'all know the model. We building muscle, cutting the calories at the same time. 30 seconds, jump right back into it.
For a while, it was throughout high school, it was more of a realization once I quit sports. I sort of realized where I was at, especially with my weight, because I mean, I had a growth spurt after basketball season. You know, I was like 6'2", something like that, but I was weak, man. I was like 130 pounds. So right after I got my wisdom teeth taken out was when I really dropped weight. And I really just kind of took a look at myself and I realized that something had to change.
Really?
Yeah, something had to change bad. So I locked in my senior year and then went to VCU. Now we're here. So
now we're here.
Yeah, now we're here.
I know, because you show your transformation all the time.
Man.
You were small. See, that's one reason why I connect with him, man. I was small like him one day.
Yeah.
I used to be real small, like a little soft like him, like a little, you know, little beta every once in a while. But you got to grow up sometimes, you know?
Man.
You got to gain some weight.
Yeah, you do. 40 pounds later.
40 pounds?
Yeah.
Man, that's a lot.
Oh, God. I'm telling y'all, I don't do pull-ups at all.
All right.
You got me doing
Next
this.
exercise, you do the same rope. I just change locations, you know. Number 15, 3 sets, pushing down now. Supersetting push downs, the rope push downs with push-ups. 15, 10 push-ups. Telling you, man, I'm growing and I'm leaning at the same time. Nice, nice.
Bad. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Between 10 to 12, between 10 to 12.
Aren't these declines?
I love incline, getting an upper chest. Tell the people why you ain't got no upper chest.
No, I do. It's just you gotta see it with a pump, that's all it is. That's why we wear pump covers. That's why we do this. You see
Yeah,
it?
it's no upper chest.
It's also why we wear wife beaters.
What's your favorite body part to work on?
Shoulders.
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 I knew it.
Explains my delts.
All he cares is about just delts.
Hey,
I'm the
man.
same way. I like it though. Whatever gets them in the gym. Most people get in the gym, they don't first thing think about, I want my whole body to look good. Usually, especially men, they focus on one body part and they hit it till they just can't do no more. We all done that. When I first started working out, you see my journey, all I care about is pull-ups. I just want to look like a silverback gorilla. That's all I care about.
I wish. I started doing pull-ups when I met this man.
It's
back
wonderful.
in like March.
Your back just feels like,
Y'all, I never did pull-ups.
it just feels wonderful. So that's all I did when I first started working out. So if you just start working out, if you focus on one body part, that's cool. You'll gradually feed on your other body parts, as long as whatever gets you in the gym. That's all I care about. That's all. But you already said it. America, we are the biggest country, aren't we?
Yeah.
Most unhealthy?
Yeah, for sure. You see it every day.
Why do you think America is the most unhealthy? Why do you think?
Because of the fast food that we got going on, and people, it's just the people that, it's what they're surrounded by. So being surrounded by all this unhealthy, you know, and especially like nowadays, just the social media, and like the impact it has on people nowadays, it's just, they're surrounded by, it's okay to be, you know, it's okay to look this kind of certain way, so they take that information and run with it because they're comfortable with it. That's all it is. That's why people love it. They love being able to just go home on the couch, sit down, and eat a bunch of McDonald's, because that's what they're used to. They're comfortable with that, so that's what they're gonna keep doing. People like me and Gio that are different. You know, we don't like that. We don't like being comfortable. That's what it's about. Once you learn to be uncomfortable, that's when you know you're doing it right.
I like it. You're speaking, I like it.
You know, I didn't know these were incline push-ups.